Hey everybody, this is a quick video and to show you how to do a hard reset on your TOZO A2 Mini wireless earbuds in case you're having issues like sound is only coming out of the left ear or only out of the right ear, or it's not connecting, or it's not staying connected, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's making weird sounds. A hard reset will fix a lot of those issues and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is take our earbuds out of their case and we're going to press and hold the buttons on them for about 5 seconds to make sure they turn off. And once they turn off, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold those same buttons. We're just going to continue to hold them, and it will take about 8 seconds. And while you're holding them, you should kind of hold them close to your ear. Hold the button and hold them close to your ear, because the earbuds will actually make an audible noise. They'll actually say PTP mode or something like that, which will indicate that the reset is happening. And then you can just wait a few seconds for it to complete. Put your earbuds back in the case, take them back out, and repair them with whatever device you like.